Hello, folks. Welcome back to Merrill Math. I'm Mr. Merrill, and today's topic is mental math. We're going to be squaring numbers near 50. And I can't take credit for this trick. This was actually something I learned from a book called Surely You're Joking, Mr. Feynman. Great book. I've read this probably dozens and dozens of times. Highly recommended. The chapter that this trick appears in is called Lucky Numbers. There's also a lot of other math tricks and stuff that are in this book. It's not a book about math. It's actually a book about Richard Feynman. He was a physicist. He worked on the atomic bomb and won a Nobel Prize and had all kinds of wacky adventures. A very, very entertaining read. So this trick, squaring numbers near 50. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to subtract 100 times the difference. And when I say difference, I mean the difference from 50. So we take 50, we subtract, whatever number we're trying to square, and that gives us our difference. So we're subtracting 100 times the difference from 2,500. And if you'll remember, 2,500 is 50 squared. So that's where that number comes from. So, for example, if we're doing like 48 squared, our difference in this case is going to be 2. So we're going to take 2,500 and we're going to subtract 200. That gives us 2,300. Okay, now we're not finished yet. The second step is we're going to add the square of the difference back. So in our example 48 squared, we're going to take 2,300. That was where we ended on the first step. And we're going to add back 2 squared. That was our difference. So 2,300 plus 4 gives us 2,304. Let's look at a couple more examples of this real quick. Let me move this out of the way. And let's look at, let's see here. Let's try 44 squared. Now, the first thing we have to note is our difference. Our difference is going to be 6. So we're going to subtract, the first thing we're going to do is going to take 2,500, and we're going to subtract 600, which gives us 1,900. And now we have to add back the square of the difference, or the difference squared, so 6 times 6. So we're going to take 1,900, we're going to add 6 squared, which is 36, so we get 1,936. So 44 times 44 is 1,936. Okay, next example. Let's do 45 squared. Now, in another video, I talk about squaring 2-digit numbers that end in 5, and we'll find we get the same answer if we do it this way as well. So 45 squared, our difference is going to be 5, so we're going to subtract 500. So we take 2,500, and we subtract 500, and we get 2,000. And now we're going to take that and add back the square of the difference, which 5 times 5 is 25. Which gives us 2,025. So 45 times 45 is 2,025. Last example. Now, this one is a little bit different. Now, I was talking about differences. This is actually greater than 50. So it also works for numbers that are bigger than 50. But instead of subtracting from 2,500, we're going to be adding. So we're going to take 52. Our difference is 2. Technically, our difference is negative 2, but that's okay. So we're going to take 2,500, we're going to add 200, which gives us 2,700. Now we have to add the square of the difference, so we're going to add 4. It's 2 times 2 is 4, so we get 2,704. So 52 times 52 is 2,704. So again, that's another just another mental math trick for helping you square numbers near 50. Thanks for watching.